Want to give a family member a card on your account? Adding an authorized user is simple, but know the responsibilities and potential perks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your Chase Online account. Navigate to the credit card account and look for Account Services or Manage Users. Select Add an authorized user. You'll need their full name, date of birth, and social security number, sometimes optional. Chase will mail a card with their name on it to your address. You can usually set spending alerts for their card. My crucial pro tip: understand the impact on their credit. Adding someone as an authorized user typically reports the account to their credit report. If you pay on time and keep balances low, this can help build their credit. If you miss payments or run high balances, it can hurt them. Add responsibly. Share your account access wisely and clearly. Do you add authorized users for convenience, credit building, or to share benefits? For more guides on managing shared finances, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.